Um, so, what's your name? What's your name?
Nano ganitong question mo kanina?
Uh,
What was your name?
um, where did you came from?
Where John goes,
I
where
mean,
you came from?
I mean, you wouldn't know. You just pick up people and you don't know where they came from.
Oo, ganun.
Right?
Where do they came from? And he works in Teletech.
No, it's a very prestigious call center.
Kaya nga hindi na siya cheap eh.
Yeah, di ba? Dati cheap ako. We get a spot with each other because,
Cheap siya eh.
yeah, yun. It's cheap. He's really like,
You know, he was so cheap that he actually stole the bamboo, the bamboo frames of all the
political
campaign ads.
materials.
Eh, nahuli ng barangay Tanod.
Yeah, we're gonna make I'm making
He wanted to extend his house with the bamboo frames.
Marie, you're putting me on the spot. I mean, people would think
Mahilig ka ata sa camera.
no, people would really think that I'm like that. I mean, I like have an image to protect.
Me too. Look, oh. I'm running for governor of San Miguel Corporation.
Yeah, so people, you never know who was watching this video or
By
this
the way,
movie.
yan ang amin music. Oh, di ba ang laki ng speaker, oh. Ang taas-taas pa. Ano ba yun?
Yeah,
Parang nitro.
high-ended pare, putres. I mean, you wouldn't really like mistake us for, this is like, what the heck is that, right?
Eh, I want a gadget like that.
So, Alpine yun, Alpine.
You'll find you. He'll find me daw. He'll find me. Well,
Well, okay, so let's
That's it.
cap it out. That's it. So, that's it.